This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Feldman. Wonderful townhome community centrally located to shopping and Navy bases. This updated gem has a wooded view and plenty of natural lighting. Newer roof, new HVAC, and new carpet. Open floor plan, 2-story foyer with ceramic flooring, wood laminate flooring in great room, 2 fireplaces, updated appliances, garage, fenced yard, and no pet restrictions. Just a little paint to make this home your own. For more information, review the details below.